this video, I'm going to show you how to decorate a Christmas tree quick, easy, to the point, simple, no BS, and it'll take less than an hour. So if you want to get ready for Christmas but you don't feel like spending half a day decorating, this video might be for you. Everything that you see here took me less than an hour, so let's get started. So the first thing you need to do when you get your tree out of the box is to touch every single branch and fluff them out. Your tree is not going to look any good if you don't do that, so you need to spend the most of your time doing this first step right here. After you have your tree fluffed out, the next best thing to do is to grab some kind of ribbon or garland to start wrapping it around the tree. I like to start at the top and work my way towards the bottom. You can wrap it from left to right, or you can wrap it from top down to bottom. I have that on some other videos if you'd like to go see how I do that. Next thing I like to do is grab a sign or something that's going to be a focal point so that I can put it in the tree. Here I've got a sign sticking right here in the middle. That way it's the first thing that everybody sees when they look at your tree, and it takes up a lot of room, so you have to decorate it less. Next up, I like to start at the very top and work my way down. I always like to put my star on first, or whatever my topper is going to be, and then start decorating around it. Here I wanted the star to look a lot fuller, so I put some gold leaves around it so that it would look beautiful and it would balance out the skinny top as it gets longer and fuller towards the bottom, so it doesn't look small and then way too big at the bottom. You'll see what I'm talking about at the end of the video. So I take these picks and I work them around the top. You'll see left, right, front, back, then you'll see me stick a few more around the sides just to make it look full from all angles. That's something that you also need to pay attention to, is where you're setting your tree up. That way if you have 3/4 of it not showing or it's exposing the entire room, you have to make sure you have enough decor to decorate all the places that are going to be showing. In my case, you're going to see 3 out of 4 sides, so I'm trying to make sure I decorate all of them. Next, I decided that I'm going to use some really huge ornaments that I had so that it'll take up less room and, again, less decor to make the tree done. I start off by placing them evenly around the tree. One on the top, one on the side, bottom, around it. You see what I'm talking about. You got to make them look even. Don't put them too close together, but don't have them so far apart to where it looks like you don't have enough. I decided to stick with all gold on this tree because, again, my goal was to do it quick and easy. So all gold, one color on a white tree, that's as easy as you can get. Same with the base that I already have on it. It's just a white color, no hard thinking about it. It's gonna look good no matter what. Also, I chose a pre-lit tree for this because it's already lit, and that's one step that you don't have to do because it's already done from the moment you pull it out of the box and plug it in. After I've got all these large ornaments on the tree, I start pulling out some smaller ornaments to put in a little bit of detail, and then it'll make the tree look like there's a little bit more going on so it doesn't look bare and boring. I don't really know how many small ornaments I'm going to put on the tree. I just start spreading them around until I've taken up some white spaces and the tree looks full. And again, make sure it looks balanced. Don't put them too close together and don't put them too far apart to where it looks like you don't have enough ornaments. Make sure you don't have too many white spaces showing. After I have all the ornaments on the tree, I decide one final touch will be a couple of flowers. Having picks to stick in your tree in random places help you to cover up any bald spots, especially if you have a tree that's not very expensive like this one right here. It's not going to look great on its own, so you're going to want to make sure you have some picks to put in different places so that it'll look a lot better and fuller, and you don't have to do a whole lot to it except cover up the holes. And that's it. With these few simple steps and a few simple pieces of decor, you can have your tree done easy, quickly, under an hour, and then it'll look beautiful for your guests and they'll think that you spent a lot more time on it than you did. I hope that this bit of advice helps you, and if you'd love some more decorating content, come see me on my channel.